Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online classes. So, today we have to discuss the second part of the chapter Importance of Plants. But before starting the second part, let us first see what we have discussed in part 1 of this chapter. So, till now we have discussed that plants are very important for us and they provide us so many different things. And what are the things which plants provide to us? They are the fruits, vegetables, grains, oil, medicine, fiber, wood and furniture, rubber, glue, perfume, oxygen, etc. I hope you remember all these we have discussed in our previous class. Since plants provide us so many things, so many important things, no, the basic necessities of life, food and oxygen. This also we get from plants only. Therefore, it is very important for us to conserve plants, to save them, to protect them, isn't it? And therefore, today we will discuss how can we conserve the plants. What are the different ways to conserve plants, to save plants? So, the first way of conserving plants is that we should not cut trees. See here, this is the sign of ban, no? That means we should not cut trees. Here also in this picture you can see how the tree is requesting this person not to cut it. No, the tree is offering its fruit to that person and requesting to not cut it. So, we should not cut trees, we should save trees. What can we do next? We can plant more and more trees, and this is called afforestation. So, we should promote afforestation. That means we should plant more and more trees. See how this girl is planting sapling. Do you do this? Yes, very good. Next thing that we can do to protect plants is that if we need the branches, we should only use the fallen branches. We should not cut the branches of a living tree. See, these are the fallen branches. We can make use of these. See how here this person is collecting the fallen branches. He is not cutting the branches of these living trees, isn't it? In the same way, everyone should use only and only fallen branches. Next, what we can do or we should do is that we should celebrate one Mahotsava. Do you know what is one Mahotsava? It is a program launched by our government to increase the number of trees in our country. It is actually a tree planting festival which is celebrated for 1 week in the month of July. And during this event, millions of trees are planted. You also carry saplings to your schools, isn't it? See here how these students along with their teachers, they are planting the saplings. Here also you can see, hey, these are the Davians. see whether you are there among these students. Whatever. So, what should we do is that we should promote a forest. We should celebrate one Mahotsava. We should celebrate this festival with full zeal, and we also should encourage others to celebrate this festival. Next, that we can do is, okay, you tell me, when we uh, plant the saplings during the festival of Van Mahotsava in the month of July, after that, what should we do? We should take full care of these saplings, isn't it? And how can we take care of these saplings? By adding water to those saplings. See how this girl is adding water, no? So we should water the plants, we should add fertilizers, we should remove the unwanted grasses and other things from the soil so that plant can grow in better way. In this way, we can take care of these saplings. And next, one very important reason of loss of large scaled plants is the forest fire. So we should protect forests from fire. How can we do? See the pictures, see here how these persons, they are adding water to put off the fire. Here also you can see how this creature is trying to put off the fire. Here this person is calling to the helpline number when he saw fire in the forest. He is calling the responsible person, the helpline number, so that the responsible people can come and put off the fire. So we should do whatever we can do. And in this way we can conserve the plants. All these are the different ways of conserving the plants. I hope you will follow all these ways and also will encourage your friends, others, your family members to follow all these ways. No, so that the number of plants can be increased on this earth. So here your chapter 4, it comes to end. Since this chapter, the content of this chapter, it is not uploaded on the website, that's why I have given you the content of this chapter. Let us next have the reading session of the same chapter. Importance of plants. Plants are of great importance in our life. They not only make us feel good but are also very useful in many ways. We depend on plants for our various necessities. Plants give us food in the form of fruits, vegetables, pulses, and grains. We get wood, paper, rubber, cotton, oils, spices, and so many other things from different plants. Some plants like tulsi, neem, ginger, and garlic are used to make medicines. Plants provide us many things like spices, fruits and vegetables, wood, medicines, rubber, oils, oxygen, and so many more things we already have seen in our previous video. Apart from providing so many useful things, plants give us something very, very important for all living things. This is oxygen gas, the gas we all need for breathing. Plants give out oxygen gas during the day. This helps to increase the amount of oxygen in the air and thereby purifies it. Hence, plants act as air purifiers. Plants also bind the soil with the help of their roots. We can now understand that plants are a very important gift of nature. We must take care of plants so that their number does not decrease. If we have to survive on earth, we must protect the plants. Ways to conserve plants. There are many ways in which all of us can help to conserve plants. The following are some suggestions for this purpose. Let us not cut trees. We should use only those branches and leaves that have fallen down. We should promote afforestation, that is, planting of new plants. We should celebrate Van Mahotsav by planting saplings in the schools and neighborhood areas. We should also take full care of these saplings and let them grow into plants and trees. We need to save our forests and put a ban on deforestation, that is, cutting down of trees. There should be punishment for those who cut down trees. All of us should take steps to protect forests against forest fires. And here is one fact. Do you know the old Zico is the oldest known non-living tree? It is 9,550 years old. Can you imagine? So old is this tree and it is living. Which tree? Old Zico. T is silent here. How do we pronounce? Zico. So that's all for today's class. You also read the chapter twice or thrice. I am giving you the content of the chapter in the form of PDF. Thank you.